The people of Jigawa are renowned for their warm hospitality and kindness. Visitors are often captivated by the friendliness of the locals, who are eager to share their rich cultural heritage and traditions. Administratively, Jigawa State Government under Governor Umar Namadi is implementing transformative initiatives to reposition the state among the best in Nigeria. One of such initiatives is the creation of Jigawa State Investment Promotion Agency, a legally established one-stop shop for both existing and potential investors. This agency is streamlining the process of establishing and expanding businesses within the state while eliminating bureaucratic bottlenecks that typically hinder investment development.
When you look at the PEBEC ranking, Jigawa was ranked at number 2 in the ease of doing business. So the Jigawa has implemented a lot of business environment reforms that makes it easier for investors to come in, set up their businesses, and then start running their businesses and also receiving aftercare. That has really attracted a lot of investors, and I think Jigawa is the right place to come.
Digging beyond the abundance of arable lands, Jigawa State also sits on vast mineral deposits, including gypsum, limestone, granite, kaolin, iron ore and tin, soda ash, columbite, and potentially oil, gas, and carbon dioxide.
Solid mineral is also a very potential sector in Jigawa State. From the survey, we have almost more than 47 different mineral sources in Jigawa State.
GCC Vanguard Limited, a leading granite and tile manufacturing company that has taken the advantage of Jigawa's investment-friendly environment. Recognized as the largest granite tile producer in Nigeria, the company uses cutting-edge machinery to process locally sourced granite into high-quality tiles of various shapes and sizes. This not only adds value to Nigeria's natural resources, but significantly reduces the nation's dependence on imported granite products. Through its operations, GCC Vanguard is helping industrialize Jigawa State, generate employment, and drive economic growth.
吉嘎瓦州的居民相对其他尼日利亚其他州人来讲，会平和很多，不像其他的州很多暴力事件、抢劫、绑架时有发生。在吉嘎瓦投资是很好的一种选择。
In a region often troubled by instability, Jigawa stands apart as a beacon of peace. The government prioritizes the safety of its residents and visitors alike, creating a suitable environment where business can thrive. We invite you to explore Jigawa State, visit our cities, and witness the future we are building. Jigawa is more than a destination. It is a vision, a place where peace is real, potential is vast, and partnerships are welcome. Here, gentle soil supports giant ideas, and every success story begins a new chapter. If you seek stability and sustainability, Jigawa offers both. To the investor with courage, to the entrepreneur with vision, and the dreamer with drive, Jigawa opens its doors. Build the future with us. Invest in Jigawa.